Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel Lemon Cone. Today we are diving into our irresistible chocolate freak shake. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Let's start with decorating the mason jar. Dip the top of the jar into the melted chocolate, ensuring a generous coat with the help of a spoon. Spread some chocolate on the inner side of the jar. Now let's add a pop of color with colorful bunties and crunchy chocolate chips. Freak shake is something that actually originated in the cafe in Australia, and it has nothing but a dense milkshake which is decorated or garnished with multiple ingredients. Our decoration is completed now. Put the jar in the freezer to let it set. While our jar is chilling, let's make a creamy and chocolatey shake. In blender, pour chocolate ice cream, chocolate spread or Nutella, chilled milk, and toss in some brownies. It's totally optional. If you need our brownies recipe, check out the link in the description below. Blend everything together. Pour that velvety chocolate mixture into our beautifully decorated mason jar. Now here comes the fun part, topping it off with generous swirl and fluffy whipped cream. Garnish with chunks of brownies, some chocolate, and some mini wafer rolls. Get creative and make it on your own. And there you have it, our chocolate freak shake. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now it's tasting time. Delicious! Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy sipping and stay sweet.